Hey guys, I am coming at you with a fall makeup look. This is just my fall look lately. I don't know about anyone else, but how are we in fall, guys? I'm starting off this look just brushing up my brow hairs to prepare the canvas that is my face for makeup. I'm taking my Lancôme Skin Feels Good foundation, which is about to be way too dark for me. And then I'm taking my E.L.F concealer and just placing it below my eyes, around my nose. I saw this trick on YouTube and it just lifts your eyes and provides you with like a super easy snatched makeup look before you even have to do anything else. I love it. It works. If you haven't tried it, try it. And then I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay contour brush. I've had this brush forever. I think it came with like one of their contour palettes, but it is so fluffy and it just blends out my concealer seamlessly. Now I'm going to be taking the other side of that brush and taking my number 7 Perfect Light translucent powder and just setting all of that concealer. I love this for an easy way of contouring the nose as well. Basically just the concealer and the powder, and my nose looks contoured already. I am now going in with my Anastasia DIPBROW in Granite as well as her eyebrow brush. I'm not sure what number it is. I do know it's the one with this bully on the end though. Hopefully that narrows it down a bit. I'm now taking my Smashbox Full Exposure palette. I don't know, the brown in this palette for some reason I've used as a bronzer for so long. I've tried to find one similar and I just keep coming back to this one. So for now, this is my bronzer. I'm also taking my Smashbox Cali contour palette and I'm taking the blush in this palette. I like it so much and I feel like it flatters so many different skin colors. I am now taking my Urban Decay Naked palette, taking the shade Naked. I don't know, I have had this palette for so long. I'm kind of embarrassed with how long I've had it. I'm just taking this color and putting it above my crease. I just go through palettes really slowly. I don't know, does anybody else? I am now taking the shade Buck and placing that right below Naked. I am now taking the shade Half Baked, and before I do, I'm just spritzing my brush with setting spray. I don't know, it just gets double the amount of pigmentation out of a color, especially a shimmer color. Even just using water will just give you that much more pigmentation. I'm now taking the shade Virgin and placing this on my brow bone. Now I'm going to be prepping my lashes. I'm taking my L'Oreal Voluminous base. It is a priming mascara that goes on white and dries clear. It holds the curl of my lashes and it gives my lashes so much volume. Now taking my Ardell Wispies set, I'm taking the Wispies 600. This set, guys, I was so excited to find it. It has all of my favorite Wispies. Now taking Pretty Vulgar highlighter in Shimmering Swan, just placing this on my cheekbones, on the tip of my nose, down the center of my nose, Cupid's bow, all that good stuff. And that is pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty related content. Thanks, guys.